everyone and welcome to another R&R Partners video. Today we are going to discuss the requirements for the Romanian visa for foreigners. If you are new to the channel and you're interested either to immigrate to Romania or set up a business in Romania, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel as we post here new and updated information. In order to obtain a Romanian visa, first of all you need to know what type of visa you're applying for. In Romania, there are 4 types of visas. First visa would be the A-type visa. This is a visa issued for foreigners which are not allowed to enter Romania or to transit through Romania. For example, if you're a citizen from Iran, you are going to London and you need to switch planes in a Romanian airport, you will need to have a Romanian A-type visa in order to switch the planes. The second type of visa, it's a B-type visa. So this B-type visa allows you to transit through Romania with another means of transport. For example, if you want to go by car or by boat or anything like that, you will need the B-type visa. The third type of visa would be a C-type visa. So this would be in case your end destination is Romania, but you are not planning to stay for a long time. These are either for business or it's for travel. The fourth type of visa and the last type we are going to mention, because those are all the visas, it's a D-type visa. This type of visa allows you to enter Romania and the Romanian authorities know that you will be staying in Romania for a long time. Do note that the C-type visa, so the third type of visa, does not allow you to remain in Romania, to live in Romania, or to work in Romania. Also, not all types of D-type visa allows you to work in Romania. Only to stay in Romania for longer than the visa is approved in order to have a particular reason that needs to be fulfilled during your stay. If you are in the situation in which you need help with obtaining a Romanian visa and you don't know what to do, do note that you can always book a consultation with us and we can help you out to figure out what type of visa you need, what documents, and how to apply properly in order to not have any problems with the Romanian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. In this video, we will focus on the most common documents that you will need regardless of the type of visa that you're going to apply for. So, the first document would be your passport. You need a valid passport in order to apply for a visa, and make sure the passport is at least 6 months valid when you file your application with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. In your case, you are applying at the embassy and the embassy will forward the documents to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Also, in most of the cases, they will require 2 photos that you need to show when you are going to apply for the visa. Going forward with your application, one of the most important things that you must provide to the Romanian authorities would be the means of living. That means that you have all the means, the necessary cash available in order to sustain yourself during the period in which you are going to be in Romania. Usually, the means of living are proved with a bank statement. Do note that when you get the bank statement, it should be in English. So speak with your bank that you are using the bank statement to an embassy and they would need it in English. Also, in the past we had problems with the bank statements that they were in local currency, Indian rupees. So the embassy said that, look, we don't think that this currency is convertible in Romania. So they asked for a bank statement in euro or US dollars. Those are the safe bets, so you'll have no problems with this proof. There is also an alternative. For example, if you are coming to Romania to work, you can show the contract that you have with the Romanian company, which shows that you will be paid a wage. However, make sure that this document, the Romanian work agreement that you have with the Romanian company, is in force. So practically, when you are arriving in Romania, the contract starts and you are getting paid from the first day that you arrive. Another important document, and you need it regardless of the type of visa you are applying for, would be a health insurance. The minimum coverage for the health insurance should be 30,000 euro, and it should be valid for the whole duration of the visa. There are some problems that you don't know when you are going to get the interview, when the visa will be issued, for how long, and so on. What we recommend would be, when you get the health insurance, get it for 6 months, so you know that the visa period is covered. And also in that insurance, you need to have specified or covered, to be exactly, the Schengen area or Romania in particular. Lastly, you will need to show a criminal record from your country that shows that you haven't had any criminal offenses. This is usually issued by the country where you have domicile or residence, where you are applying for the visa. It must be clean, and also it must be for international use. This means that the criminal record should be either certified by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs from your country, or it should be certified with an apostille. If you found the content useful, we would gladly appreciate if you hit the like button down below, as it really helps our channel out, and you'll also be helping other expats who are in search of additional information for their visa procedure. Do note that we did not go in the depths of all D-type visa, and even on the C-type visa we didn't go in the particularities of this. However, you need to know that each type of visa needs additional documents based on the purpose that you are submitting. For example, if you're coming in Romania for work purposes, you must show at the embassy a work permit that was previously issued by the immigration office to your employer, and it is valid in order to get the D-type visa for work purposes. If you are applying for family reunification and you're coming to Romania for family reunification with a third country national, for example, you are an Indian citizen, your spouse is an Indian citizen, but he has been employed in Romania, you will need a previous approval by the immigration office before you can go and apply for the Romanian visa. If you are coming in Romania for economic activities, so you need a D-type visa for economic activities, you will need a previous approval by the Ministry of Economy from Romania. If you are coming to Romania for medical care, again, you will need from Romania a document from a private clinic or a state clinic which approves you for medical treatment in Romania and shows the purpose that you are coming. So, thank you for watching, and until next time, you can also follow us on Facebook or Instagram, as we post there also, and you can be up to date with our activity. See you soon and have a great day. Bye!